When found out why. But they live life. Something. Death. What's up, guys? Good morning. I just wake up and left my time and my eye, mommy, oh my look.
Nasty.
Okay, so y'all knew that camera can't switch. Anyway, mommy broke the glass. What happened? Explain what happened first.
The windshield got a crack. A pebble flew in there and it got a crack.
Okay, and it's a simple little crack, but you have to change it because it's going to spread and we don't want it to bust up in our face and etc. So the guys have to change it. I'm going to give you guys a little view of it, the experience of it. Repair it. It's repairing? I thought you were replacing it.
No, it's repairing.
So it's like just a little seal. It's a seal you're using or something?
Yeah, this is a vacuum tool.
Okay.
And or it allows us to pull vacuum on it and then push the resin into the chip itself.
Okay. It's not she's been afraid to drive go anywhere here because she just don't want anything happen. I tell her it's not going to spread that fast. Would it? Would it?
Some spread immediately, some never spread.
Okay. How long the process take? Okay. Oh, I forgot to start using my phone vlog more, man. The camera pretty, mommy. Okay. So the guys, it get it all the way over the spot. And it's just, you know, it's like it's disappearing per se. Start use the phone vlog some more. If I start using the phone, I'm going to put on my tripod. The phone tripod, you know what I'm going to do? I got, you know, the top part right, and I put it over the phone and the camera something, screw it tonight. I don't know. Just wake up, people. I'll come up with my video. I'll show you. Come look.
Still needs to be pressed.
Still look sexy, bro.
Your face needs to be pressed. It has wrinkles.
What's that?
This is a filler that finishes off.
Is there gonna still be a spot or anything?
There will be a small spot.
Oh, but it's just not gonna spread.
It shouldn't spread.
Okay.
There's always a chance. It's glass.
Oh. So if it does, we're supposed to call it back.
What's that?
If it does, we're supposed to call it back.
If
Right?
it spread, take it off.
Take it off?
If it spreads, you can only repair it once. Once it's fixed.
Okay.
So if it spreads with Abra, the money you spend on this will go towards the windshield. So.
Okay. That's good. Ready. Amen. There you go. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, suck. We're all complete now. Yeah. There's still a spot there, but it should not spread anymore. So yeah, mommy can stop being a coward now and drive the damn car. it's all done. And you get the glass a shine. Look at that. You need to get that way you use, man. What's it? What's it called?
What's that?
The spray. What's it called?
It's just glass cleaner.
Okay. I thought it was something special, some magic tool or something.
I wish.
Please. There's glass cleaner under the car.
So, oh yeah, guys, we start go live like every night now. So make sure when I check out live, I'm go live last night for the first time, and Unless it's 2 or 1 or 3 people alone I watch them, I still gotta go live because I want to communicate with them more. I'm gonna get to know a few people last night. You know what I mean? So I should click better my roof. I'm found a wife. I'm found a wife. That's the click bait. Yeah, I told you that. But yeah, as I was saying, I got through in a clip I was going last night after the live. That was recorded on my vlog camera. But it seems like I'm gonna use my phone more now because it just look pretty and sick. Oh. Yeah, okay. So see in the video, I ran that a save right now with mama there. I cook some stew peas, go fast in the pot. Cook stew peas already. I cook some peas too. Oh, can and see it there. And make sure say right burning it turn on and not like I'm really doing that stew peas video. We turn on the back burner people and the pot the front one and now go out with nothing. But yeah, I look rich already and I know what I cooking it and see in my belly. So what else I go on? I can't help you with it. Nothing. Can't help it. Bunks them can't, they still don't know. And a stew peas. Yes, man. Yeah, I'm here just in a while ago say the stew peas. Jamaican red peas soup. You see me? But yeah, that's a go on, just a tune in, you see me? Yeah. So the first vlog on the phone, that's enough I go to the scenes them and everything, I could say, yeah, the camera quality up now. But I'm still going to use my vlog camera. This, I'm probably using some of my sit down video them. But the vlog camera for the wide angle vlogging, that's for vlogging, a wide angle. This is just a test run, so I get a good vlog out of this, but yeah. Sure. Watch that. Hey! What is the word? Oh! Now I'm going to show you that show me. Yo! Alright, then we can use it now then. We check out. Yo, I put everything in the vlog. We just get a tripod. Made up this already from the yard, but this on the camera tripod and put it on this extension. What? Yeah, sure. What? Oh God, man. Vlogging gone madness now. Madness. So what's up YouTube? I'm just head home from work right now currently, right? So I edit the video this morning. I edit the video this morning, right? And I schedule it for post. I'm just saying get yellow mark. So I'm going to delete the video. I thought that I deleted the video and didn't posted it. Now I'm at work looking. I saw comments coming in from my beautiful viewers and subscribers, which are you guys. I was like, what the hell is going on? But as I said, I'm not doing YouTube just for the morning, so the video is up. Hope you enjoy the video. We don't on the road I walk go, we just have to vlog it. So that's what I say. But yeah, I hear like a country, man. Go Missouri a country. Anyways, I go home, I go live right now. Who doesn't text my phone? Don't text me at this time, I'm vlogging. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the live soon. I know I'm not gonna know soon up on the live, you see me? Texting me hard, man. Ooh, the girl I want, she want it. She text me too hard. I vlog on the iPhone again, you see me? Yeah. Alright guys, so I reach home now, you see me? And what I want to do is I want to put a little prank on some people. So I'm going to knock on somebody's door and run. You see me? Just for the video. I said nothing, man. Everything alright. Got me hard, yeah. Fuck. Just jump off of that tower. Yo, the man pull the door and I look out. I put the door and look for me. Ah, boy. Anyways, we reach home. Thank gosh. finna touch the live right now. You saw me jump on the live, yeah? Me say, good body girl forget things. Yeah, man. Set up a go live phone right now. You see me as the people so. So like a real theater, parking lot full. Yeah. Check out my beautiful man right there, some people. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. So we're at the movie we're gonna see night. What name, mommy? Night something. What which movie we're gonna watch? We're gonna watch a movie. We get paprika and thing and lemonade. Lemon. You can mix lemonade, man. I want to put it in a while ago. So yeah, this is gonna be the last day of the vlog. I'm like, you're going for 2 days straight now, but yeah, let's try wrap it up and thing. Disappear. I'm gonna put it right up on that screen, people, but you see them comfortable. First time I come on that theater, I feel good. Watch out.
I didn't know.
They didn't know. See their face now, the paprika. Watch out. You not even see her, a big girl, them will not see. But they live life. Someday. Yeah. So what's good, YouTube? So I just come home from the movies and thing, and yeah. Energy down as you can see. I know say I'm not all low I take a go build and everything because I'm mommy and all of that. But yeah. Thanks for tuning into this vlog. I'm gonna edit it right now, that's when you can get it tomorrow. Open up post and planned like what happened to the last vlog, and yeah. And so now I'm gonna do more challenges, so I'm gonna do some more challenges. I have a change plan already, so I get that, and yeah. Thanks for tuning into the vlog, to the channel. Thanks everybody who subscribe and comment. Peace out.